Welcome to AM.CO.za, where achievement matters. I'm Taryn, and today I'm taking you inside South Africa's leading supplier of industrial machines, tools, and training that empower local businesses to build, create, and grow. Let's go see how it all happens. Since 2015, Advanced Machinery has been helping South Africans turn their ideas into achievements. From small startups to full-scale factories, we provide the equipment, knowledge, and the ongoing support to make success possible. Our slogan, Achievement Matters, isn't just words. It's a promise that every machine we sell and every service we offer contributes to your business growth. Here at AM.CO.za, we specialize in a wide range of advanced machinery, from CNC routers, laser cutters, and digital printers, to heat presses and vinyl cutters. So whether you're in signage, fashion, furniture, or prototyping, we've got a solution designed to meet your workflow. And the best part, every product comes with its own software, local support, and parts, so you're never left figuring things out alone. At AM.CO.za, buying a machine is just the beginning. We offer comprehensive training and technical support through platforms like softwaretraining.co.za, where you can find tutorials, guides, and video lessons, all free and easy to follow. Our CNCU repository keeps your machines up to date with the latest firmware and software plugins, while Machinery Support connects you with our national service network whenever you need help. We believe knowledge builds confidence. Confident creators build amazing things. From our 7,000 square meter facility here in Sunny Rock, Johannesburg, and our Cape Town branch in Montague Gardens, AM.CO.za serves clients all across South Africa. Having multiple warehouses means faster delivery times, available stock, and real people ready to assist you wherever you are. We're proud to support an incredible community of creators, from sign makers and clothing brands to furniture builders and entrepreneurs. Every success story proves what we believe. When businesses have the right tools, achievement follows. So whether you're starting small or expanding big, AM.CO.za is here to help you make it happen. Visit AM.CO.za today to explore our machines, training, and support. Because at AM.CO.za, achievement matters.